Tonight, public health officials are urging people to do their part to curb the deadly COVID-19 virus. More and more young people are contracting this virus, and the health district is having a hard time reaching them with important messages.
One of our reporters learned about the virus the hard way. Ariana Lake went from covering the pandemic to becoming a COVID-19 patient. Tonight, in an exclusive story, she shares some of the surprising things she learned.
I let my guard down with a trip home to see family. I had no idea of the undetected danger in my body.
It definitely wasn't anything crazy enough that I thought you had to get tested.
It started with a little sore throat, some congestion. Honestly, I thought I had allergies, but I got tested just in case. My best friend was visiting me when I found out that I was positive for COVID-19.
Kind of the panic set in and the stress of the situation and who you need to let know and how you need to track it.
When they called me and they told me my test results were positive, the first person I thought of was you. And I regretted seeing you because I put you at risk.
I was mad at myself for hugging my mom. Then COVID gave me more to deal with. I couldn't stop coughing. My chest hurt, and I've never been so tired in my life. I took my temperature every day, never had a fever.
For me, I was doing everything I could not to just get in a car and come to you.
I had to meet all of these requirements before I could leave my house. Thankfully, my family and friends tested negative.
You never know who has an underlying health condition. You never know kind of what's lurking beneath the surface. And so I think it's really eye-opening that, obviously we can all get it. Just because you're young doesn't necessarily mean you're super healthy. And so I think that has made me a little bit more cautious about where I go and who I'm around.
It's hard to balance choices, like whether to see your mom for the first time in a year. But I've come to realize that sacrificing time will always make you more grateful for it.
You appreciate your moments. You appreciate here and now and the moments you have with your children, your parents, heightens your appreciation.
I've met all the criteria, so I can safely leave my house now. My doctor says I'm not contagious anymore, although I do have a little bit of a cough still. I will continue to wear a mask every time I leave my house. That's because science has proven it protects the people around you. Reporting in Spokane, I'm Ariana Lake, 4 News Now.